So today we'll be making our Velveeta cheese, and these are the ingredients. So first things first, we have to wash our hands, so we'll be right back. Now that we're back from washing our hands, now what we're going to do is brown up our meat. Now that our meat's done browning, we can add a 2/3 cup of water and a taco seasoning pack. So now we're going to add the water. And we're also going to add the taco sauce now, taco mix now. So now what we're going to do is mix it until it gets thickened. Now that we're back and our meat is thickened up, now what we're going to do is add a can of Rotel, and when we're done with that, we're going to stir it up. Now that our Rotel and our meat is mixed up really well, now what we're going to do is add the cheese. Not to, yeah. And whenever you're done adding the Velveeta cheese, you don't want to mess with it and let it just sit, because you want all of that cheese to melt, and then you can come back and it will be ready. Now that all of our cheese and stuff is ready, it's time to go eat and try it. Now it's time to eat. Get a chip. Oops. There's our chip. Man, this is slamming and jamming.